I don't really know how to describe myself. I'm a sociology student currently here in Montreal, born and raised here. I speak French, English, Mandarin, learning Spanish. I play the piano. I would love to learn the guitar. I love running. I love a good conversation, meeting people. But I wouldn't call myself like a runner, a musician, or any fixed labels because I'm not an expert in anything. I'm just like a whole bunch of little stuff. But one thing that has stuck though throughout my life is a friend, I guess would be the best way to describe me. I was always that kid who looked forward to the first day of school because I meet all the new kids and then I go up to them and present myself and tell them, you know, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll tell you where the bathrooms are, which teachers are nice, which aren't, and whatever. That has stuck from, I think, kindergarten, where my mom was telling me they isolated this kid because he had like the smallpox or whatever contagious thing, and I went to play with him because I felt bad and I got it. I think it was the red eye. Yeah, so I guess that's how I would describe myself. A friend. Your friend, if you want. Something that really stuck with me throughout my life, well, from high school, was Linkin Park's Roads and Travel song, which in the end goes like this. May your love never end, and if you need a friend, there's a seat here alongside me. R.I.P. Chester Bennington. And I'm singing that to you. I'm gonna go learn that song right now, and I'll sing it to you. Because I guess that's what I am. Yeah, wow, thank you for brainstorming with me. So this is my big label. Not an expert at being I'm gonna call myself an expert at being a friend. Look at that. Oh my God, so exciting. Okay, we'll have to find a professional name title for that. Let me know if you have ideas. I just want to make you feel your best through me. That's all I'm here for. I want to make you feel good. I want to make you feel important, valuable, unique, because that's what you are. We all are. All right. And I just want to make sure you remember that.